So guys, today is a super huge day. I don't know if you can already tell by the title, but it is my 3rd birthday. And I know some people are like, wait, what? Year 3? Yeah, it can be a little confusing, but 3 years ago, it was my bone marrow transplant, also known as a stem cell replacement. And I wanted to do something really, really big for myself, but also for you guys. So I was thinking, what can I do? What can I do for myself, and what video can I make for you guys to celebrate such a big thing? At first, it was really, really hard to think of something because I was Googling, what do people do? What have they done? Is there any YouTube videos out there? Is there any blogs out there that people have written about celebrating a transplant birthday? And believe it or not, I found absolutely nothing. So I came to the conclusion that I'm gonna do something on my bucket list. And the very first thing I thought of was skydiving. And I'm so excited, first because this is such a big day, but also because I'm gonna be crossing something off my bucket list that I didn't think I was gonna do, especially for like a really, really long time. I paid about $125 extra to get video footage. I posted something on my Instagram for my transplant. I got a lot of comments about how a lot of people's transplants are coming up. So if you have a transplant coming up, best of luck to you. You can do it. You're gonna make it. I made it. It's 3 years later. This is so exciting, and I can't wait for you guys to be at this point in your life too. 3 years is a really, really big step. When you have cancer, the first 3 years in remission are kind of the most important because that's when it's more likely for your cancer to return. So the fact that we have made it here is just so exciting. And we kind of got to get on the road because it is 12:26 and my thing is at 3 and it's about a 2-hour drive. So it's currently, hey Alexa, what's the temperature outside right now?
Right now, it's 53 degrees.
53 degrees.
Expect a low of 35.
She's still talking. So I know it's probably gonna be way colder in the sky.
Later I found out that it drops 3 degrees every 1,000 feet. So it was 14 degrees Fahrenheit when we jumped.
And the city that I'm going to is called Rayford, I just dropped my phone. Rayford, North Carolina. I've never been there before. Hopefully it's way more south because I don't know if I can do it if it's much colder. I'm wearing this Under Armour layer, and then I'm also gonna be putting on another, like, it's a running jacket. Let me show you. Hopefully this will keep me warm, and I'm wearing some fleece leggings. Oh man, I'm so hyped. I don't even know how to feel, but yeah, let's get it. All right, and here I am with all my layers on. Got like literally 3 turtlenecks on right now. Shout out to this Taco Bell bag. All right, oh, I need to clean my car. We got a 2-hour and 3-minute drive. We're gonna get there by 2:36. Hopefully we don't run into any traffic because I will be pissed. You guys ready for this? Ah, I'm not nervous yet, although my heart is like racing. I think when I get up in the sky, it's gonna be like totally different. I might freak out, who knows? I don't know. Let's get it, guys.
2 hours later.
I'm going to FaceTime my mom real quick. Hey, I'm here.
Hey.
I just got here. Yeah, I just got here.
You excited?
I think I'm gonna poop myself.
She's going skydiving. Are you gonna go through with it? Or are you gonna chicken out?
No, I'm not gonna chicken out.
Good luck.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, Allie. Allie, you crazy Allie.
Alright.
Alright, text me right after and let me know how it went.
I will. Bye.
Okay, love you.
Love you. Bye.
Here's my beautiful helmet. Yes.
Alright, Allie, we're here at Skydive Paraclete XP. We're gonna go really down, really fast. How does that make you feel?
Ready.
Yeah? So is this a special occasion? What were you doing here?
It's my 3rd birthday. Sounds weird, but I had a transplant 3 years ago.
Oh.
So I'm 3 years old.
You get a whole restart.
Yep.
Well, congratulations. This is a great way to celebrate that.
Yep.
And let's go celebrate.
Let's celebrate.
Woo. you're back.
It was cold up there. Yeah.
Yeah, but you're feeling pretty good?
I feel good. Yes, I feel amazing.
Yeah. You cheesed at me the whole time. It looks like you had a good time. Nice job, you two.
Thanks.
Woo!
All right.
I don't even know what I'm doing right now.